Good morning, Sarah. Today we're going to talk about something that might sound a bit miraculous. There's a lot of buzz about how certain natural drinks can drastically improve our vision, particularly carrot juice. Have you heard about this before?
Yes, Dr. Mike. I've seen some headlines and social media posts claiming that drinks like carrot juice can almost restore our vision overnight. It sounds too good to be true. What's the real deal behind carrot juice and eye health?
That's a great question, Sarah. Carrot juice is rich in beta-carotene, which is a type of vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, protecting the eyes from night blindness and age-related decline. Our body converts beta-carotene from carrot juice into vitamin A, which is why it's so beneficial.
So, it's the beta carotene that makes carrot juice so special for our eyes?
Exactly. Beta-carotene is not only good for our eyes, but also acts as an antioxidant, fighting harmful molecules in our body. When you drink carrot juice, you're not just helping your vision, you're also boosting your overall antioxidant levels, which is beneficial for general health.
That makes sense. Can you give an example of how this might help someone in real life?
Certainly. Imagine someone who works late hours, often in dim lighting, which can strain the eyes. Incorporating carrot juice into their diet could help maintain their eye health despite the challenging conditions. It's not going to give them supervision overnight, but it's a building block towards healthier eyes.
I see. So it's more about maintaining health with nutrients like those in carrot juice rather than expecting dramatic improvements?
That's right, Sarah. It's important to manage expectations with these natural remedies. They support eye health as part of a balanced diet but are not standalone cures for serious eye conditions.
Thanks, Dr. Mike. That definitely clears up a lot of the myths surrounding carrot juice and eye health.
Moving on to another excellent drink for eye health, the spinach and kale smoothie. This drink is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that play a crucial role in eye health. Are you familiar with these nutrients, Sarah?
I've heard of them, especially in relation to eye supplements, but I don't know exactly what they do. Could you explain?
Of course. Lutein and zeaxanthin are found in high concentrations in your eyes, particularly in the retina and the lens. They help protect your eyes from harmful, high-energy light waves like ultraviolet rays and sunlight. Diets rich in these nutrients are linked to a decreased risk of chronic eye diseases, including age-related macular degeneration and cataracts.
That sounds impressive. So, how does a spinach and kale smoothie help with this?
Spinach and kale are among the best natural sources of both lutein and zeaxanthin. By blending these greens into a smoothie, you're essentially creating a protective drink for your eyes. It's a tasty and effective way to consume these antioxidants.
Can you give an example of how this might benefit someone in everyday life?
Absolutely. Consider someone who spends a lot of time outdoors or in front of screens. Their eyes are frequently exposed to UV light and blue light, which can be damaging over time. Regularly consuming a spinach and kale smoothie could help shield their eyes from this exposure, reducing the risk of damage and supporting overall eye health.
Wow, that really puts into perspective how a simple dietary choice can make such a big difference. I guess it's quite practical to make these smoothies part of our daily routine.
Indeed, it is, Sarah. It's all about incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet in a way that's enjoyable and sustainable. A smoothie is just one delicious and efficient way to do that. Plus, you can always mix it up with other fruits or ingredients to keep it interesting.
That's really helpful, Dr. Mike. Thanks for breaking down how these powerful nutrients in spinach and kale can help protect our eyes.
Now, let's discuss another interesting drink, bilberry juice. Bilberries are similar to blueberries but are particularly noted for their high levels of anthocyanins. These are powerful antioxidants known for their vision-enhancing properties. Have you come across bilberries in your readings or diet, Sarah?
I've seen bilberries mentioned in context with eye health, but they seem less common than blueberries. What makes them special for our vision?
Bilberries are indeed less common but very potent. The anthocyanins in bilberries help improve night vision and prevent or reduce the progression of conditions like macular degeneration. During World War II, there were reports of British Royal Air Force pilots consuming bilberry jam to improve their night vision during missions.
That's a fascinating historical tidbit. How does the anthocyanin in bilberries work to help our eyes?
Anthocyanins help strengthen blood vessels and improve blood flow to the retina, where they can help regenerate rhodopsin. Rhodopsin is a pigment in your eyes that's crucial for seeing in low-light conditions. Moreover, anthocyanins have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect against the cellular damage that can lead to degenerative eye diseases.
How effective is consuming bilberry juice compared to other forms like supplements?
Consuming bilberry juice can be an effective way to absorb these antioxidants naturally, though supplements are more concentrated and can provide a more measurable dose. However, drinking the juice can also offer other health benefits from the natural compounds in the fruit, and it's a more enjoyable way to include bilberries in your diet.
That makes sense. Could you give a real-life example where bilberry juice could make a noticeable difference?
Sure, let's say someone frequently works on a computer or uses their phone in dim lighting. Regularly drinking bilberry juice could help improve their overall eye health and night vision, potentially reducing eye strain and supporting visual acuity over time. It's a simple dietary addition that might have significant benefits for anyone concerned about their eye health, especially in our digital age.
I'll definitely consider adding bilberry juice to my diet then. Thanks for the detailed explanation, Dr. Mike. It really clarifies how these small berries can make a big impact on our vision health.
Next, we have orange and bell pepper juice, a vibrant and nutrient-rich drink. This juice is particularly high in vitamin C, which is essential for eye health. Vitamin C helps form and maintain collagen, a protein found in the cornea and sclera of the eye. Sarah, are you familiar with the role of vitamin C in eye health?
I know vitamin C is good for immunity, but I didn't realize it was also important for our eyes.
Yes, it's quite crucial. Vitamin C is a strong antioxidant that can help reduce the risk of cataract formation and may also play a role in preventing or slowing down age-related macular degeneration. It's also important for repairing tissues in all parts of the body, including the eyes.
How does combining oranges and bell peppers enhance these benefits?
Oranges are well known for their high vitamin C content, but bell peppers actually contain even more vitamin C per calorie. When you combine the two, not only do you boost the vitamin C content significantly, but you also get a broader range of other nutrients and antioxidants that can support overall eye health.
That's a smart combination then. Can you give an example of how this juice could benefit someone in their daily life?
Absolutely. Consider someone who is at a higher risk of developing cataracts or macular degeneration, possibly due to their age or genetic predisposition. Regularly consuming orange and bell pepper juice could help provide the antioxidants needed to mitigate these risks. It's a simple preventive measure that's delicious and easy to include in one's daily routine.
It sounds like this juice is not only good for the eyes, but also a great way to enjoy a refreshing, healthy drink. I'll have to try this combination.
Definitely, Sarah. It's tasty, healthy, and beneficial for more than just eye health, thanks to the high antioxidant content. It's a great example of how delicious foods can also be incredibly beneficial for our health. Lastly, let's talk about the beet and berry smoothie. This drink combines beetroots with berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Beets are high in nitrates, which improve blood flow, and berries are loaded with antioxidants. This makes the smoothie particularly good for eye health as well as overall cardiovascular health. Are you aware of the benefits of nitrates and antioxidants in these ingredients, Sarah?
I know antioxidants are beneficial, but I'm less familiar with nitrates. How do they help with eye health?
Nitrates are converted by the body into nitric oxide, a compound that helps widen blood vessels and improve blood flow. For the eyes, this means better oxygen and nutrient delivery, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision and supporting the function of the eye's delicate tissues.
That's interesting. And the berries add more than just flavor then?
Exactly. Berries bring a wealth of antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress, an underlying factor in many chronic diseases, including eye diseases like macular degeneration. Each type of berry adds its unique blend of vitamins and protective compounds.
Sounds like a powerhouse drink. Could you give an example of how someone might specifically benefit from this smoothie?
Sure. Imagine a person who is perhaps middle-aged and starting to experience changes in their visual clarity, or someone who is at risk for diabetes, which can affect eye health. Incorporating a beet and berry smoothie into their diet can help improve blood flow not just to the eyes but throughout the body. And the antioxidants can help reduce the impact of high blood sugar on the eyes.
That makes the smoothie not just a preventive measure, but also a potentially therapeutic addition to a healthy lifestyle.
Precisely, Sarah. It's about creating habits that support body and eye health before problems arise. This smoothie is an enjoyable and effective way to contribute to that, and it's quite delicious too.
Thanks, Dr. Mike, for all these insights today. I feel much more informed about how what we eat and drink can significantly affect our eye health and overall well-being.
You're welcome, Sarah. I'm glad to hear you found our discussion helpful. Remember, it's the small, consistent changes in our diet that can lead to substantial health benefits over time. Enjoy trying out these drinks.